Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I'll be making a 1 ounce ingot from pure tin. Got tin shot here, as you can see. Be weighing that out also. Show you. I'll be making a nice loaf ingot out of that, which I will likely also be selling on my eBay page. So keep an eye out. If you want to buy a nice tin ingot, I'll also show you it being made. So let's weigh it out. Set it to ounce. Didn't tie the thing with the jar. Hang on. There we go. There we go. 1.074 ounce inside of that beaker there. So take that over here. We're using propane for this. You're pouring it into this mould here, this loaf mould. Put my hair back. I'll have to preheat this mould first, not by much. Nice pretty blue from the propane. Should be enough. Sorry about that. Seem to keep having phone droppage problems. Need a better phone stand for sure. Stick. A little bit of stuff in there. That's because I let this go off it. Lovely. just let that cool now. Oops. Still very hot. I will go get my temperature gun and show just how hot this is. Quite hot. Crucible still cooling as well. We still have a good 300 plus degrees on the ingot though. That's going to take a little while. Give it some time to cool. We'll also go through a little deformation during forming. I've already got one made though, show you now. Look at that. That's also 1 ounce tin ingot. You know, a loaf type style. And that's what it'll look like when it's done. Incredibly reflective and shiny. This is pure tin. Same as what's in this mould here. So, quite nice, quite weighty and sizable. I have a few other things made here, a few other items. I'll be making some tin stuff. That's me blowing on it. Wobbly. Slight deformation on the top, and we'll get rid of that in a minute once it solidifies a bit more. That way you end up with a sort of nice effect like that. More loafed and rounded on the sides, which is what you want. Wouldn't be a loaf ingot otherwise. Giving it a bit of an agitate. Some slight gunk on the top there. Let's get a tiny bit of that off. There we go. Hopefully that won't reduce the weight too much. It will still be an ounce, but it was slightly over. There we go. Whoops, a tiny bit of unwalted material there, see that? Not sure what gunk is in it. But the borax has removed a lot of whatever that was in there anyway, making this pure. Stated as 999 anyway, plus the treatment with borax, it'll remain pure. Some deformation starting to form there. I'll get rid of that in a second. Sorry about that again. That's all that's required. Sort of like mowing, except with a flame. Shouldn't be too much longer until this is cool. Mold is temperature's dropping. This ingot will be for sale, as I've said before. Won't be expensive. But I will be making more in the future. So we'll be selling. Not just tin and indium, other metals also. Should be able to move this now to the ceramic tile, so it'll cool quicker. Damn it, my hair's fallen back out. Should be quite a nice ingot. Just for quenching it once I get it out. Very shiny looking. That dropped nicely. Nice sound on that. There it is. Nice pure 999 tin ingot. Give that a quick wash, quick swish. Quite hot. Very nice. And there it is. Very, very shiny 999 tin ingot, loaf ingot. Quite nice and uniform also, as you can see. Good for stacking. Not too thin either, quite thick. So let's weigh this. Set to ounce. Yep. Yep. There we go. 1.064 ounce tin ingot. It's quite nice. Well, that came out quite well. Till next time.